My name's Lane, and I'm here to talk about the Taranzy small handheld chainsaw. What I'd like to do now is share a few thoughts with you about this mini chainsaw. It's really compact. I really like it. The teeth on it are really sharp, so you have to be really careful when you handle it. On the little oil tube right here, this comes off and this part right here pulls out, and then you can take bar chain oil, which I have right here, and then I always pour some in one of these little tubes right here, and this is what I use for regular chainsaws, but I pull that part out and then I can put that in to fill it up. But this isn't a lot of oil. And then anytime I'm dealing with oil, you know, I usually have a shop rag around, or inside your kit, you could probably put some paper towels or something. And usually I use regular work gloves instead of these gloves right here. My wife really likes these gloves. They fit her pretty well. In regards to eye protection, I prefer to have probably clear lenses as opposed to tinted lenses. But you know, the important thing is if you're going to use this thing, you need to have eye protection and some hand protection as well. Get the hang of it here. All right, that all seems pretty good. Little claw. Boom, there it is. Now for some final thoughts about the Taranzy mini chainsaw. First thing I would say is that it's a great price. And because it's at a great price, that it doesn't necessarily operate like high-end chainsaws. So pick the project that you want to do. And I would say the best project for it is maybe clearing 1 inch or 2 inch dead wood, maybe out of a tree, or perhaps some bushes, trimming up some bushes and that sort of thing, or maybe cutting up some smaller limbs if you're going to burn them, or that sort of thing. It's not designed to do a ton of firewood. Okay, and even though it does have a 6-inch blade and it could cut through a 6-inch piece of wood, chances are it would run the batteries down relatively quickly, and then it's very possible, if you don't keep it oiled right or whatever, that the engine will start smoking, and it'll be hard on the battery. The next thing I'd say is that it doesn't have a cover for the chainsaw, and so you don't want to leave it out, especially if it might fall over and you know, touch your bench or the wood or the concrete floor. So I'd keep this baby covered up, and probably in the case. I have some grandkids, and so to prevent them from inadvertently getting cut, I'd probably put this baby away, and just like this. And I would say that the Taranzy mini chainsaw is a great buy.
I just got this mini chainsaw. First time I'm using it. It looks pretty good. Battery. I got this tree I want to trim here. Seems to be doing a good job. Works great.
Hey, so yeah, trying out my brand new little handsaw. It's amazing. This has already saved me so much work, even though I did bring a manual handsaw with me. But anyways, really quick here. Oh yeah. This is actually kind of fun. Beautiful. So weighs like only 1.5 pounds, and I can recharge the batteries with my solar generator. So I'm gonna have no shortage of easy wood this weekend.
So first put the protection goggle on and the gloves and fully charged battery, very easy to mount. I already take down some of the branches, but just to show how small it is and how easy, powerful. So I need to take down some of the branches. See? I really take down those. Wow, you see, so big. I like this. Thank you for the product.
Little thing's a beast.
Well, here it is. Everything came in the case, like it said in the review. So, chainsaw fits right in there. Underneath that, there's the batteries. There's the little bottle for the chain oil. There's the extra chain, screwdriver, the manual, gloves, and the nice safety glasses. Case is pretty nice hard shell. Definitely would be buying this again. Actually thinking about getting one for my brother for Christmas.
Compact, Works fairly well. It's cutting through these little branches. About to get to a bigger branch. Let's see how it does. Pretty cool. We have some even larger ones, so we'll see. But so far, I'm impressed.
Perfect for at home or even camping. I personally bought it to cut firewood for this winter. I got logs, but I kind of live in a small apartment. Don't want to bust out the huge chainsaw, split this, and then mess my back up, so I don't want to use an axe. But this thing works perfect. Cuts it right up. Amazing product.
Okay, so I just used the Taranzy here. You can easily use it with one hand. And I was able to cut all these trees, branches, and cut them into small bits here very easily. So I would highly recommend this tool for cutting small trees, branches, bushes, etc. Really worth it. Thanks.
Now hold it on me, so you can see me in that thing. Okay.
Now watch it cut through this piece of firewood with ease. This is my Taranzy, nice battery-operated chainsaw. It's still working. It's handy. It's very maneuverable, and I have complete control of it. And I feel very satisfied with this product, and it's been a nice addition to my yard tools.
Let's cut us some Christmas trees. Some limbs. Go for it. Show me what it'll do. Go. Perfect. Look at that nice little saw. We are very pleased. Very good.
Just cut this one off.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Are you happy with it?
Got this tree branch that fell down. Wife got me a little handheld for Christmas. Gonna chop it up so I can move it a little easier. Super simple.
Look at that, goes right through it. I don't have to pull out my big chainsaw. Super simple.
Ready? See? Video?
Yes, I'm videoing.
That's probably good.
Alright, somebody needs a video cord.
Didn't you video?
So it's actually a pretty decent little chainsaw. I haven't used mine yet, but I've used a buddy of mine's, and these things can cut through a lot. You're not gonna chop down a giant tree or anything, but if you got branches and you're just a quick homeowner, buy it.
You get 2 battery packs. The chain is already on it. You get an extra chain. You get safety goggles, which are really cool. You get the screwdriver with it and rubber grip gloves, the manual, and the case. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't stand it.
It's my first cut, and it's by night. Wow, yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's good.
Just received my 6-inch Taranzy battery operated chainsaw. Looks to be great quality. 2 batteries, sent with additional chains as well, which is a surprise. Looks good.
Fantastic. I cut this big ligustrum that was dead in a line of living ligustrums. It was easy. I felt like it was pretty safe.
Huh?
Monroe County, Pennsylvania.
That's up in the mountains.
Pennsylvania, 3 a.m.
Is it the car, white car?
This is about a 3-inch round branch. I'm gonna cut it right off. That little thing is tough. This thing works.
Go.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it recorded?
Yeah.
There we go.
how fun I'm gonna. Did you see how fast?
On to my next adventure. Is when the phone is getting loose.
You were grabbing from a phone?
Yes.
Okay.